Now we're gonna thread the machine. We're gonna remove this point. Stick this one in here. And pull out the thread. Add the thread through thread guide 1. So I've done this before on another machine. So this should be pretty easy. So then I'm gonna go through here. And then it says step 2. And then step 3. And then step 4. We're gonna move the foot up as high as it goes. Apparently it doesn't go that high. So now at 4, then we go back down. We go to the needle. So we went up. Now we're going back down. Down to the needle. Just turn this on. So it does have an LED light. Alright, where are we at? Alright, we're at step 5. Let's see if we can do the automatic threader deal. We'll see. Important to verify that the machine is threaded properly and the tension disc, do the simple check raise. You know what? We're just going to thread it.
So it was a little difficult for me to figure out how to use the automatic threader, so we just went ahead and manually threaded the needle.
What the hell? Did I put it through? No, not that one. So I guess let's put it through this thing. Oh, doesn't really make sense. Alright, this part I do know. So now we're gonna pull that through. Yeah, that's through. Alright, I think we're good to start.
Alright, well that's the final video for setting up the Singer sewing machine. I hope you liked this video and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye!